Hello, everyone. Today I have some exciting announcements, along with today's going to be kind of a mashup podcast where I'm going to be talking you through all of the benefits and bonuses you can get if you sign up for marketing systems. And I'm also going to be talking through some frequently asked questions and honestly objections that people might have. And if you are thinking about joining marketing systems, maybe these are some questions that you have that I want to answer today. So, first and foremost, let's talk about the benefits for you all. I know that the price point of 1500 for a business is something that is definitely doable. I wanted to make this program accessible so that literally anyone could sign up for this. And I genuinely feel like it is so good that it would benefit any solopreneur. Anyone that I've met, I really do feel like this would benefit them. However, I wanted to make sure that you felt so confident that you were getting the exact results that you wanted for this investment that I decided to create a bonus. So if you are listening to this podcast in real time, listen up. 7 days from today, on April 21st, 2025 at midnight, I am closing down a fast action bonus. I know that many of you want to make sure that you not only join a program that's valuable, but you want to get your money's worth. You also want to make back your investment. So what I did for marketing systems is if you join by Monday at midnight in real time, whether you do the payment plan or pay in full, I am giving you my money back fast action bonus. That means that if you sign up, I'm going to send you a hidden module within the mastermind. And that module is going to tell you how to make your money back in the first 30 days that you're in the program. So by June 21st, you would have made your $1,500 investment back already. I go through in that module what I call 3 different ways that you can make your money really quickly within this program. And there are different worksheets, there's templates, and even scripts that you can utilize to help you make your money back, your investment back, just within the first 30 days that you are in the program. So I want to let you guys know that first and foremost, not only because it's an amazing bonus, but this program is so good. I am truly so excited about it. And I knew it was good, but literally last week, 48 hours into joining, somebody had already made their money back, even without this bonus. And that's what got me thinking and got me so excited. They already made 1,500 literally within their first 48 hours of joining. And I know that this isn't just possible for them, this is possible for you too. So that is the first thing I wanted to let you know about is this amazing money back kickstart, and it's the fast action bonus for all of you. So that is something that's available for everyone, pay in full or payment plan, up until April 21st. But then I got to thinking that literally everyone is going to want this. Even if this is 2030, you guys are going to want this fast action bonus because it's so helpful to actually ensure that you make your money back. I know that is something that is so important to so many of you. So what I did as well is I decided that if you pay in full, I'm going to give you that money back fast action bonus as well. So you will get a separate private module that will give you different templates, a tracker, and ways to make your money back in the first 30 days that you're in the program. So definitely make sure that you are paying in full for that fast action bonus. And then I was also thinking about my pay in full people. And I was like, I want to give you more for paying in full. You and I both know that when you invest in yourself, your business just feels different. You are taking your business so much more seriously. And I also think that when you do the pay in full, I wanted to give you a reward for just putting that money online, being like, you know what? I'm going for it. I'm going to make it happen this year. So what I did is I also am including it for anyone who pays in full between now and the 21st or any other time afterward, I am including a 5-figure system blueprint. So here are all the systems that you are going to need to make your not just 10K, but multiple 5 figures after that, 10K, 20K, 30K, and the things that get you set up to scale to your first 6 figures. So I'm including that as well. If you pay in full, you are going to be able to get an SOP, which is a standard operating procedure for how to repurpose your content. I'm also including another tracker for your finances. It is a simplified version of something that I do actually within my scaling systems mastermind, but it teaches you what to track instead of vanity metrics and actually make sure that you're making your investment back from the actions that you're taking, plus a setup. It's like a blueprint of all the systems that you're going to need and then a tracker to make it happen. So pretty exciting stuff. If you sign up before the 21st, you will get the money back bonus. And if you sign up and pay in full, not only are you going to get the money back bonus, but you are also going to get the 5-figure system startup pack. So both of those are available to you. And I know that you're hearing about marketing systems now. It is, when I'm recording this, it has only been open for 6 days. And again, someone has already made their money back. However, I want you just in general, within this podcast, I like to give you tangible things that you can do to move your business forward. And a lot of times I'll talk with my clients and they'll say, I really don't know why people aren't buying. And I don't think that is a useful frame of mind for anyone to have, because there are probably very good reasons why people aren't buying. And you want to get really curious. And what I would do is I would write down 10 things that people are questioning and write down what are my best 10 ideas for objections that people have for why they aren't going to buy. So I wanted to do that as a role model and as an example for you with marketing systems. And I thought about why people wouldn't join. So here are the 10 that I came up with my program. And I encourage you to come up with your own 10 objections so that you're ready and not surprised on a consult call. You can speak to these objections in your marketing, and you're also prepared to make sure that you aren't, that you're not just like wondering, like, why aren't people going to buy? You actually have tangible reasons for why they're not buying. And you can also get into that when you're having DM conversations with people as well. So here are the 10 that I thought of. And I thought back to when I first started my business before I had made my 10K. And I thought about the questions that I would have before joining a program. And that's kind of what I based this on. So objection number 1 I came up with was, I don't have money right now. So for me, I totally get it. When I was teaching first grade, I did not have money I didn't have $1,500 on hand. I had to go and I had to actually get a different tutoring job after I was done with the school day. And then after I tutored every day, I also went and worked in after school. So I know what it's like to not have cash on hand. And that's one of the reasons why I created the money back Kickstart toolkit to make sure that you make your investment back in 30 days. That's one of the reasons why I created that. I wanted to cover your costs before the second payment is even due. And that's one of the things this program does. But another thing that I was thinking about, if you don't have the money right now, is how are you going to make that money? You have to learn how to build a business that makes money. So for anyone who is wondering, marketing systems is a tax deduction. As a business, you are incentivized to put money into your business. Just like if you were a brick and mortar, you would have to buy all of the chairs and get food if you wanted to open up a restaurant. That is what you can think about this investment in marketing systems as, is the setting up costs to get your business up and running. And again, I made it extremely affordable so that if you do need to do the payment plan, there is still that available for $167 a month. If you're thinking that you don't have time for marketing systems, I want to let you know something. There are only 4 modules within marketing systems, and the total time it takes to watch those is only 5 hours. So I want you to think about how much time are you spending spinning your wheels and making sure, like trying and throwing spaghetti at a wall, that within marketing systems, you are going to make the time to do all the things. It's built for entrepreneurs that could potentially be working full time, that have other priorities like families or other situations that are taking away their time. And you also want to make sure that you're building your business in margins that are doable. So if you don't have time, marketing systems will make more time every single week for you. And it is something that if you feel like you do not have like an hour a week to watch a module, then this program is definitely for you because then you need to get your time back to start making more money. And that's what's going to happen when you work smarter with systems. The other thing that I was thinking about is if you've done other programs before. So for me, I have done a bunch of other programs. And when I'm thinking about those, if you're thinking that it's like I maybe have learned how to market, I have a consult script that I use. Why is this different? This is going to take all of this other tools, everything that you've ever invested in, everything that you've learned, and it's going to put everything that you've already done, which is a great foundation, into practice, into a routine that makes running a business feel like a regular job. Everything is plug and play. So you are going to be able to, instead of worrying about what direction do I go and what do I do, and like I have all these things that are on my plate from past programs I've done, it's going to simplify and streamline to specific things that you can do every day. And I think it works as a great addition into any programs you've invested, because a lot of times you might know the philosophy or the understanding behind sales and marketing, but this gives you the application to actually make it work for your business. And again, making 10K in 90 days, if you're looking at your calendar and you're like, within these next 90 days, I really want to be bringing in consults every week. I want to make sure that my DMs are full. I want to make sure that my marketing feels easy. This is the program for you. The other question I was thinking about is, would I invest in marketing systems if I had already made 10K? And the answer is a resounding yes. There is the simple way to 10K, and then there is the strenuous way to 10K. I made my first 10 to 15K in my first year the hard way. And for me, I wanted to make it easier. So it's not just about your first 10K, but it's about making 10K every quarter into every month after that. That is what marketing systems does for you. It's creating the structure that you will have less stress as you grow your business. So especially if you are past the 10K point, you're going to be more fully booked with clients. You have even less time to work on the back end of your business to continue making 10K unless you want a revenue drip. And that's what marketing systems does, is it creates the basic systems and the basic setup so you are ready to go after you make your first 10K. What if I have not had any clients and I can't get clients from the things that I'm doing? Then you definitely need marketing systems. And I would just highly recommend that you join the program, because if you have not had a paid client yet, this is the program to make sure that you get those paid clients coming in. For me, I know that you've been posting. I've seen so many people that have maybe even gotten a consult or two, but people still haven't signed up. This is when you really need to troubleshoot as a CEO of your company, even if you are first starting out, and you want to make sure that you are actually talking to the right people, you know how to talk about your offer in a way that's compelling, and you're actually booking sales calls. So my goal is that you make 10K in 90 days within this program. And for you, if you haven't had a single client yet, this will be your first 10K, and I would love to help you do it in the simple way that is very doable with small hours in the back end of your business. If you feel like, ooh, I don't like selling. That was another thing I was thinking about. I was like, oh, I don't want to be just like another salesy person. This program is perfect for you, because when I'm talking about marketing systems, I'm going through the program in a way that feels really authentic and genuine. It feels like you're just having conversations with people who would be your best fit clients. Like for me, I'm having conversations with people about business, which if you couldn't tell, I'm pretty enthused about talking about business. So I just get to do that all day. My job is so fun. I'm not talking about what is your name of your dog. I'm specifically talking about things that are related to business, and those conversations convert into clients. You are going to build these genuine, authentic conversations, whether it's about people's relationships, if you're a relationship coach, whether it's about their style, if you're a personal stylist. You're going to be able to have conversations about stuff you actually want to talk about that's related to your service, so you are able to grow. I don't even know what my offer is yet. Friends, Did you know within marketing systems, I'm not just talking about making 10K from nothing. I'm talking about 10K and actually making your offer. That's module one, is creating a high ticket offer, something that is simple and easy to sell, that will make people so excited and ready to buy from you. And that's literally the first thing that we do. So you're going to create a high ticket offer that's simple, it's transformational, that people are getting whiplash when they hear about what you do. And that's what we do. So if you don't have an offer, if you have nothing created just yet, this is the perfect program to join, because instead of throwing spaghetti at a wall with a bunch of different random offers, you're going to start out with a strong offer that's actually going to convert. If you do not have, another thing I thought about is I was thinking back to when I first started doing business coaching, and one of the people who joined, Shannon, who's amazing, she said, "Hi, I would like to start a business and I have no social media, literally nothing. So if that's you and you have no audience, I'm going to help you create an audience from scratch. You don't need a big audience. You don't need a huge audience. You just need the right systems to get people to convert." And we actually had her sign a client before we were finished, just using in-person networking. So that was an amazing way you can do that. And inside module 2 within marketing systems, one of the pieces of the 10K in 90 days is actually talking through the client acquisition system, which means that you're going to be building real relationships through conversations that convert, even if you're starting with 0 or very small amounts of followers. Can I keep trying on my own? I thought about this too, because there were things that I've done in my life where I'm like, yeah, no, I know enough. I feel like I understand enough that I'm just going to keep going on my own. And one of the things that I would offer is, yes, of course you can. I just want to cut the time it takes for things to get working in half, if not even more. For you, instead of throwing spaghetti at a wall, what I've found is that when you've got systems that work, you're going to be able to take out the time, the confusion, save all this effort and energy so you can just focus in on doing what you actually like, which is helping people. The biggest thing I found is like people are like, yeah, I'm already posting. And so why would I need content to learn how to content batch weekly? And that's great, but I want you to understand how to batch out your content so that if you get fully booked, if you posting every day, if that works for you, that's fine. But for me, what I found is that it worked for me until I was fully booked. So for you, if you want to keep trying on your own, that's great. But at some point, you are going to need these systems. And what better time to start than right now, when there's the bonuses, but it's also a way that you can make sure that you're cutting down any wiggle room of like, I don't know what I'm doing time. That would be great. And within module 3, the content batching system, you're going to learn how to take what you know about marketing and make it work. And last but not least, I have heard a lot of people that are like, okay, I've had business coaches before. I have worked and I've done different programs. I have paid for courses. Why is marketing systems different? For me, the 10K and 90-day goal is something that is so important to me. I want every single person that goes through this program to make 10K for sure. That is a huge piece of it. And for me, what I found makes it different is within programs, you're not just learning what to do, you are applying it for a full year. So if you don't hit 10K in the next 90 days, you don't just get left in the dust and you don't have anyone to support you. I'm going to be there to support you every single week on weekly coaching calls. I'm also including a stream where you can post, and there are different templates for you to utilize that you can start making copies of, that you can start asking yourself better questions and posting them in there so I can help you to grow every single week. So these are the things that you're going to be able to do within marketing systems. And if you, again, these are the 10 objections that I had, I would recommend you just creating these for yourself. However, if you want help to make not just your first 10K, but your 10K in the simplest way possible, marketing systems is for you. I would love to have you join us. If you sign up by the 21st, remember, you get the money back fast action toolkit. And if you pay in full after the 21st or before the 21st, you are also going to get the 5-figure systems setup. So you're going to be able to have those as well. And I would love to have you. So if you have any questions at all about joining, please, please, please reach out. Otherwise, I'll include the link to join in the show notes, and I cannot wait to see you there.